Hello everyone. In this video, let us know the basic concepts of trigonometry. First, we need to know the trigonometric ratios here. For this, I have an easy trick. Let us quickly know that. First, write vertically all these like sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc. And horizontally write 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. Here, sin 0 degrees is 0. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 in this way. For this I have a trick here. First write 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4 for everything, and in the same way add root for everything. 0, root 0 by 4, root 1 by 4, root 2 by 4, root 3 by 4 and root 4 by 4. Root 0 by 4 value is 0. Root 1 by 4 value is 2. So root 1 value is 1. 1 by 2. Here root 4 value 2 2s are 4 here. So 1 by root 2. Here root 3 by root 4 value is 2. So root remains same for 3. So that's why root 3 by 2 here. And for 1 is for 1 is for. Here the value will be 1. So with this simple trick we got the values of sin theta here. To get the values of cos theta, we should reverse the sin theta values. That is from last 1 root 3 by 2 here, 1 by root 2 here, 1 by 2 here and 0. We also got the cos theta values. Now for tan theta values we should do sin theta by cos theta. Here tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. So here the tan 0 value will be sin theta by cos theta, that is 0 by 1 value is 0. And 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 2 gets cancelled and it is 1 by root 3 here. Coming to here, root 2 gets cancelled, the value will be 1. Tan 45 is 1. Next, coming to here, root 3 by 2 divided by root 1 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, root 3 will be remained. Here 1 by 0 is not defined. And to get the cosecant theta value here, we should do 1 by sin theta. That is adding 1 as numerator for sin theta values. Here 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. And to get the secant theta values, we should do 1 by cos theta. It is 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 0 is not defined. In the same way, the cos theta value can be get by doing cos theta by sin theta, or just we can do 1 by tan theta, because here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, whereas cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, that is reverse now. So we can just do it as 1 by tan theta here, that is 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by root 3 is root 3 here, and 1 by 1 is 1. Here 1 by root 3. Here 1 by not defined means 0. So in this way, these trigonometric ratios can be done here. Now let us come to some of the formulas here. Let us understand these formulas by using a triangle here. It is a right angle triangle. Here we can see the 90 degrees angle now. So it is a right angle triangle. And based on this angle, we are finding these formulas now. Theta. Here sin theta. Theta means here this is the angle. So for sin theta, the formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. See, opposite side by hypotenuse. It means the side which is opposite to this angle theta, and it is meant by hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the formula. Sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. And coming to these values, we can just reverse these values, that is inverse of these values. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta. Secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta. Cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. So these are completed now. Now let us know about complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if those sum is equal to 90 degrees. That means each angle is complement to other angle. That is, in the place of one, we can write another one. We can find them in right angle triangles more. So these are the formulas we should remember here. Here sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So in any problem we can replace this value with this. Okay, and here cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta, secant theta is equals to cosecant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta is equals to secant 90 minus theta. That is, here sin theta is complementary to cos theta and tan theta is complement to cot theta. See, sin is complement to cos and cos is complement to sin, tan is complement to cot and cot is complement to tan. In the same way, secant is complement to cosecant and cosecant is complement to secant theta. And here we also have some identities here, trigonometric identities, that is for which value it will be equal to 1 identity. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1. So if you want to get the value 1 here it will be secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Here also in the same way, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. The standard formulas are this: secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1 and cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So in the place of 1 we can take this or this or this, etc. So here the tan 0 value will be sin theta by cos theta, that is 0 by 1 value is 0 and 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 2 gets cancelled and it is 1 by root 3 here. Coming to here, root 2 gets cancelled, the value will be 1, tan 45 is 1. Next coming to here, root 3 by 2 divided by root 1 by 2, 2 gets cancelled, root 3 will be remained. Here 1 by 0 is not defined. And to get the cosecant theta value here, we should do 1 by sin theta, that is adding 1 as numerator for sin theta values. Here 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. And to get the secant theta values, we should do 1 by cos theta. It is 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1 by root 2 is root 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 0 is not defined. In the same way, the cot theta value can be get by doing cos theta by sin theta, or just we can do 1 by tan theta, because here tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, whereas cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, that is reverse now. So we can just do it as 1 by tan theta here, that is 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 1 by root 3 is root 3 here, and 1 by 1 is 1. Here 1 by root 3. Here 1 by not defined means 0. So in this way, these trigonometric ratios can be done here. Now let us come to some of the formulas here. Let us understand these formulas by using a triangle here. It is a right angle triangle. Here we can see the 90 degrees angle now. So it is a right angle triangle. And based on this angle, we are finding these formulas now. Theta. Here sin theta. Theta means here this is the angle. So for sin theta, the formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. See, opposite side by hypotenuse. It means the side which is opposite to this angle theta, and it is meant by hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the formula: sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, and tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. And coming to these values, we can just reverse these values, that is inverse of these values. Cosecant theta is equals to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equals to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is equals to 1 by tan theta. So these are completed now. Now let us know about complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if those sum is equal to 90 degrees. That means each angle is complement to other angle. That is, in the place of 1 we can write another one. We can find them in right angle triangles more. So these are the formulas we should remember here. Here sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. So in any problem we can replace this value with this. Okay, and here cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta, secant theta is equals to cosecant 90 minus theta, cosecant theta is equals to secant 90 minus theta. That is, here sin theta is complementary to cos theta and tan theta is complement to cot theta. See, sin is complement to cos and cos is complement to sin, tan is complement to cot and cot is complement to tan. In the same way, secant is complement to cosecant and cosecant is complement to secant theta. And here we also have some identities here, trigonometric identities, that is, for which value it will be equal to 1 identity. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1. So if you want to get the value 1 here it will be secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. That is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Here also in the same way, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. The standard formulas are this: secant square theta is equals to tan square theta plus 1 and cosecant square theta is equals to 1 plus cot square theta. So in the place of 1 we can take this or this or this, etc. Now let us know the topic heights and distances in trigonometry. In trigonometry we can also find the heights and distances by using angles. First let us know some terminology that is used in trigonometry to find all this. Okay. First, line of sight. Line of sight is nothing but, let us consider a cat is looking at a bird which is on a tree. Let us consider it. Here, as cat is looking from ground level to a bird which is lying on a tree, this is known as line of sight. Okay, the line from this eyes to that position of an object is known as line of sight. And coming to the angle of elevation, let us go through this definition also. Line drawn from the eye of an observer to the point in the object viewed by the observer. Here it is the observer, it is observing now. It is line from eye of observer and to the object. It is known as line of sight. And angle of elevation means, here it is angle between the horizontal line and the angle of elevation. Let us consider an object A is here and B is here. They are observing from here to the object. This is the line of sight. And the angle is angle drawn between the horizontal line and the angle of sight. It is the angle of elevation. And for object B, it is the angle of elevation. Next, coming to angle of depression. Here it is the angle between the horizontal line, that is this, and the line of sight joining an observation point. See this one. So here in angle of elevation, it is based on the observer point of view. The angle is based on the observer point of view. Whereas coming to angle of depression, here the angle is based on the object point of view. Here the object is building now. From here the angle is made. Okay, that is a difference between angle of elevation and angle of depression. Next, coming to in a triangle, let us go in some practical way. So let us consider a triangle. It is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, already we have discussed now, sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse. Here theta is here, so opposite side is AB by hypotenuse is AC. AB by AC means H by L, that is here. Okay. Next, cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side is B and hypotenuse is L, so B by L. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, so H by B. Again, another point to remember is, in a triangle ABC, if ED and AB are parallel, then what? Then we have one condition. AB by ED equal to BC by BD. That is, for AB the perpendicular will be BC, that is BC. For ED the perpendicular will be CD. Okay, DC. CD or DD, anything is similar. So for ED it is DC. So ED DC. Okay. And in this figure, if we want, it is two objects are there here. Let us take an example as A and B objects are present here. Here the angle of elevation from A is alpha and B is beta. So they asked us to find the distance between those two objects. Here to find that distance we have a formula here, that is height, total height into cot alpha minus cot beta. So by using this formula we can find this distance. Okay, so now by using all these formulas, as I have said you before, so by using all the formulas I have said you before, I will show you how to find the height or something distance practically. Okay, now let us consider we are seeing an object on the tree which is present on a tree. Here it is known as angle of elevation, right? And this base is considered as distance, that is the adjacent side. This is the hypotenuse here, and this is the height. This is considered as height, base is considered as adjacent side, and it is hypotenuse. So, and sometimes we need to consider our height also. Our eye will not be equal to ground level, right? So we should consider our height also. So just understand this concept here. It is considered as distance and it is considered as height. The total height of the tree or object is said to be this one plus the height of the man. This is one. So the total height will be this. Here by taking tan theta is equals to, what is the formula? Opposite side by adjacent side. Here the opposite side is this one, height by adjacent side, that is distance. In problem if the distance is mentioned or height is mentioned, we can easily find the tan theta then, or else if tan theta is present in the question itself, then we can easily find the height and distance. So if you want height is equals to what? Distance into tan theta. Okay, so in some problems if they give only AB values, that is base value and height value, if you need to find the hypotenuse value, then the formula for hypotenuse, as we have learned this from our school level, hypotenuse is equal to a square plus square root of a square plus b square, that is square root of base square plus height square, b square plus h square. Next, coming to this quadrants, there are 4 quadrants for us in trigonometry, that is positive x-axis. First we will get to know about the axes here. Based on that we will get, okay, here it is a positive x-axis, it is negative x-axis, positive y-axis, and it is negative y-axis. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant here. Let us get into deep about these quadrants. Okay, in first quadrant all the values are positive because here we have created a triangle, right? It is a right angle triangle and theta we have here. So look, this line is based upon the positive x-axis and this line is based upon the positive y-axis. So this is positive, so positive, positive, positive. Hypotenuse is positive, base is positive, and height is also positive. So all the values will be positive here. But coming to here, it is formed, this triangle is formed based upon y-axis. It is positive axis, positive y-axis, negative x-axis here, and we have hypotenuse positive. So as there is negative x-axis included here, we will not get all the values positive here. Only sine theta and cosecant theta will be positive because theta, here sine theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, both are positive, so we will get a positive. Now let us consider cos theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here adjacent side is negative, means negative divided by positive. The result will be negative. So cos theta will not be positive here. Remaining all tan theta, cot theta, everything will be negative here, except sin theta and cosecant theta. Coming to third quadrant, a triangle is formed here based upon negative y-axis, negative x-axis, and the hypotenuse is positive here. And only tan theta and cot theta will be positive here because tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Here minus divided by minus, both gets cancelled and the value will be positive. And in the same way cot theta is adjacent opposite side by adjacent side or adjacent side by opposite side. It is the inverse of tan, no? So anyway, both negative marks will be cancelled and the result will be positive. So only tan theta and cot theta will be positive here. And coming to fourth quadrant, here the triangle is formed based upon the positive x-axis, negative y-axis, and hypotenuse is positive here. So only cos theta and secant theta will be positive because cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Here the adjacent side is what? This one, base by hypotenuse. Both are positive values. And secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So it will be also positive here. Remaining all will be negative. So in this way, we need to get all the values. Okay. Based upon this, we need to change the values. Now let us go through these values in quadrants. In first quadrant, there will be 0 degree present here, 90 minus theta and 360 plus theta. In second quadrant, there will be 90 plus theta and 180 minus theta. In third quadrant, 180 plus theta, 27 minus theta. In fourth quadrant, 270 plus theta, 360 degrees minus theta. Okay, these values are formed by taking these values as standard values: 0, 90, 180, 270 and 360. Okay. So all these values get mixed up here, that is these values and these quadrant values. And before I have said you about the complementary angles, right? These all will get into use here. So in a problem, if you get sine 180 plus theta, it will change or it will not change, we'll get to know here. First we should understand this. If the angle is 90 degrees or 270 degrees, that is odd multiples of 90, they will change. That means if sin theta is there, then it will change to cos theta. If tan theta is there, it will change to cot theta. Or else if secant theta is there, then it will change to cosecant theta. This is all about complementary angles we have learned before. Okay. Coming to even degrees, even multiples of 90, that is 0, 180, 360 degrees, there will be no change. If the sin theta is given, sin theta will only be there. If tan theta is given, tan theta will only be there. If secant theta is there, only secant theta will be there. There will be no change in it if it is even multiple of 90, like 0, 180 degrees and 360 degrees. Let us consider an example here. Sin 180 plus theta. 180 is an even number, right? So if for even number, there will be no change. So sin theta will remain in the same way. Whereas coming to sine, so here 180 plus theta lies in which quadrant here? In the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, we know that only tan and cot theta will remain positive. So but here they have asked the sin theta. The sin theta will be negative. Okay. Next, coming to cos 90 plus. In cos 90 plus theta, it is given 90 degrees. That is, it is an odd multiple of 90. So the value changes here. So cos changes to sin theta. Coming to this one, 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant. In second quadrant, only sin theta and cosecant theta will be positive. Remaining everything will be negative here. So it will changes to minus. Cos 90 plus theta is equals to minus sin theta. And let us quickly go through some important things. Here, cos minus theta is cos theta, but sin minus theta is minus sin theta. In the same way, tan minus theta is equals to minus tan theta, and cot minus theta is equals to minus cot theta. That is why, let us go through. Cos minus theta can be written as cos 0 minus theta. Here 0 minus theta lies in which quadrant? That is fourth quadrant here. In fourth quadrant, we have only cos theta and secant theta positive. So cos theta, for cos theta it will be positive, and sin theta, tan theta, cot theta it will be negative. This is the thing here. Now let us go through some basic and simple problems so that you can understand the topic very well. Okay. They have given 5 tan alpha is equals to 4. Then we should find the value of 5 sin alpha minus 3 cos alpha divided by 5 sin alpha plus 2 cos alpha. First of all, take common cos alpha in this. By taking cos alpha common, you'll get 5 sin alpha by cos alpha minus 3. Here we will get 5 sin alpha by cos alpha plus 2. Here cos gets cancelled. Sin alpha by cos alpha is equal to tan alpha. Here also same. Then phi tan alpha minus 3, phi tan alpha plus 3. Here as in the question they given that phi tan alpha value is 4. 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. So the answer is 1 by 6 here. Now let us go through this question here. If theta is in second quadrant, that is here, only sin and cosecant are positive, and 3 tan theta plus 4 equal to 0, then find 15 sin theta plus 10 cos theta minus 8 cot theta. Let us take what they have given, that is 3 tan theta plus 4 equal to 0. Tan theta is equals to minus 4 by 3. Let us keep it in a pictorial way. In a triangle, here tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, that is 4 by 3 can be written as opposite side as 4 and adjacent side as 3. By using this we will find other also. Hypotenuse formula is just now we have seen, no? Hypotenuse is equals to these two, a square plus b square, square root of a square plus b square. In the same way here hypotenuse is equals to 4 square plus 3 square, square root of 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25 here. So the hypotenuse side value is 5. We got the three values here. By using these three values, let us find sin theta, cos theta and cot theta, as these three are needed in the question. First sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Next coming to cos theta, adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Here why negative value means in question they have mentioned that is second quadrant. So we should be very careful by reading the question, because these all we should clearly understand. So as it is in second quadrant, what we will get, only sin theta and cosecant theta are positive. So here sin theta will be positive here 4 by 5, whereas coming to cos theta and cot theta it will be negative. Okay, cos theta is equals to minus 3 by 5 and cot theta is equals to 3 by 4, that is 3 by 4. Adjacent side by opposite side. Minus, and because of it as it is in second quadrant it will be negative, cot theta will be negative. Now let us substitute these all values in the given statement. 15 sin theta plus 10 cos theta minus 8 cot theta. Sin theta 4 by 5, cos theta minus 3 by 5, cot theta minus 3 by 4. By doing a simplification we will get the value as 12 here. Now let us go through some more problems. Here cos 120, this can be written as 90 plus 30. Here again we use these formulas. 90 means it is odd, so it will be changed. The complement of cos will be sin, and coming to this it will be present in second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sin and cosecant are positive here, but they are asking about cosecant here, so it will be negative sign as it is in second quadrant. So sin 30 value from the trigonometric ratios table. So we should remember all those values. Sin 30 is equals to minus 1 by 2. In the same way, tan 135 value. Tan 135 can be written as tan 90 plus 45. Here 90 is an odd multiple of 90. It is an odd number, so it will change. The value will be changed. So the complement of tan is cot. And coming to this, it lies in the second quadrant, and in second quadrant only sin and cosecant are positive. So tan cot will get negative value. Cot 45 value is 1, so minus 1 here. Here the question is the value of tan 35, tan 45 degrees and tan 55 degrees. Here tan 35 can be written as this, and tan 45 value direct value is 1, and tan 55 can be written as 90 minus 35. Okay, here it can be written as 90 means it is odd, so tan will change to cot as complement, and here it lies in the first quadrant. Yeah, so in first quadrant everything will be positive, so no need to worry about the minus sign here. It will directly change to cot 35 degrees. And coming to here, cot 35 degrees can be written as 1 by tan 35 degrees. So as it is multiplying three of them, tan 35 will get cancelled, and the answer will be 1 here. Next coming to this, cosecant theta square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. Okay, 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta by identities. Okay, trigonometric identities. Here 1 by sin theta into square and root gets cancelled here. 1 by sin theta into sin theta value is 1. And coming to this problem, sin square 25 plus sin square 65. Here this can be written as 90 minus 25. Again odd here, so sign will be changed to cos, and it is in first quadrant. Everything will be positive, so there will be no minus sign here. Cos 25 degrees. So here sin 25 degrees plus cos 25 degrees is equal to 1 according to the trigonometric identities, as sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Okay. Next, coming to this problem, if cot 30 degrees minus cot 45 degrees is equals to x, then x is equals to what? This is a direct problem here. From trigonometric ratios table we can directly get the values of this, and this cot 30 degrees is equal to root 3 and cot 45 degrees is equals to 1 by root 2. Yeah, let us check once. See, cot 30 degrees value is 1 by 3 here, and minus cot 45 degrees value is 1 by root 2 equal to x. Here by doing this we will get root 6 minus 1 divided by 2. We should be careful while doing LCM here. Okay. And coming to this problem, this is also another simple problem here. Here they have given sin theta is equal to 8 by 17. Here indirectly we should understand that 8 by 17 means opposite side by hypotenuse side. We can write it in a pictorial way. Opposite side is 8, hypotenuse is 17. So by this formula, hypotenuse is equal to square root of a square plus b square. By this formula we will get the another side also. So we got all these sides value now. By using this we can find secant theta. Secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So by finding cos theta value we can get the secant theta value here. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 9 by 17. 1 by cos theta means inverse of this, so 17 by 9. Secant theta value is 17 by 9 here. Next, coming to this problem. Here cos power 4a minus sin power 4a equal to x. Here they have considered it as a square. Then a, what is a value here? Cos square a, and b value is sin square a. A square minus b square, they took in the form of a square minus b square, then the formula is a plus b into a minus b. So it is a basic formula, a plus b into a minus b. This is the formula here. As I told you, a is cos square a and b is sin square a here. A plus b means cos square a plus sin square a into cos square a minus sin square a. Here sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a by using trigonometric identity. In the same way, sin square a here can be written as 1 minus cos square a by using trigonometric identity as well. Here cos square a and minus cos square a gets cancelled, and coming to here cos square a minus 1 minus of minus plus cos square a. Here cos square a plus cos square a is 2 cos square a minus 1. That's it. Coming to another problem here. If a and b are positive acute angles such that sin a minus b is equals to 1 by 2 and cos a plus b is equals to 1 by 2, then a and b are given by. First let us note what they have given in the question here. Sin a minus b is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written in the form of trigonometry as sin 30. As we know, sin 30 value is 1 by 2. As in question sin is mentioned, we should write in the terms of sin only. Okay. We also have 1 by 2 for other values like cos 60 etc. But as it is sin in the question, we should also take sin. Sin a minus b is equals to sin 30. Sin gets cancelled here and a minus b is equals to 30 here. Again take another statement which is given in the question. Cos a plus b is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60. We took cos here because in the question cos is mentioned. Cos gets cancelled, a plus b is equals to 60. By solving the both equations here, that is a minus b is equals to 30, a plus b is equals to 60. Minus b plus b gets cancelled, 2a is equals to 90 and a is equals to 45 degrees. Okay. For getting b value, substitute any of the value, that is a minus b is equals to 30. A value is 45 now. 45 minus b is equals to 30. B is equals to 45 minus 30 is equals to 15. Therefore, the b value is 15 degrees. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.